Hello everyone, Bernadette, Simply Be Modern Art, Cape Town. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be working on a wood canvas. It's 30 by 30 centimeters. I've already prepared the sides. I've just painted it plain black. And I'm going to be using my new spinner. This is a tempered glass spinner, and I've got a disposable shower cap just protecting the surface, but it's nice and smooth and so silent when you spin. So I'm going to be doing a flower on this wood canvas, and I'm going to be spinning it out on this Lazy Susan acrylic art spinner. So let me first tell you about the colors I'll be using. I'm going to be putting down a very thin black base coat. I've mixed this base coat 40 grams of paint, 80 grams of pouring medium, and I've thinned it down with 30 grams of water. My colors, I'm going to be using dioxazine violet. This is a thicker mix than the base coat, much thicker mix than the base coat. So there's a little bit of a mound if you drop the paint off your stick. I've used 1 part paint, 1.5 parts pouring medium, and I've added water for consistency. So this is dioxazine violet. I'm using the Dala brand of paint again today. And I've taken the dioxazine violet again, and I've added 10 grams of violet to 30 grams of white, acrylic white. And I've added 1.5 parts pouring medium to that and water for consistency. I've done the same with the lime green, and I've done the same with the Naples yellow. I'm also going to be using acrylic black, and I'm going to be using acrylic white in this pour. So the violets, the greens, the yellows, black and white, those will be my colors. I'm going to be pouring a puddle in the center, and then I'm going to be pulling a design using these craft sticks. So please enjoy the process with me, and thank you for being here once again.